Robert, and you're watching Backyard Bodyworks. Beloved YouTube followers, I am Robert. You are watching Backyard Bodyworks. Today is April the 16th. It is Thursday. We are back out in the garage to work on the GT6. And what we're going to be doing today is I've got my sandblasting equipment out, and we are going to start working inside the boot or the cargo area. And we're going to start stripping out the inside of this cargo area to get all that mobile home roof sealant and trunk paint off the car, as well as get all the rust and other things that need to come off out. So thanks for stopping by, and we're always glad that you guys come by to see what we're doing. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Alright guys, that's going to conclude it for today. I think we got a lot done. Got the outside panel finished. Currently working on getting the boot floor and all of the boot area sandblasted. I got the back side of this panel sandblasted and it looks good. We're going to continue on probably tomorrow, I think, after I do some work. Come back out here and do some more sandblasting. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. All right, so what we started to do yesterday is we stripped basically all of this and some of this, and we got up underneath. We got this lip here all the way around and up, and we pretty much got a lot of in here done. We didn't get up into this part up here, but we did get up into this part over here on this side. Now all of the area underneath here has been done, and we'll go over it later with some just, I don't know, probably shouldn't need to be scuffed up too much because but it still has a lot of that. It's a mobile home sealant, and the sandblaster doesn't do real good because it just bounces right off of it. It doesn't really remove it. And that's the same thing that we're going to be running into along here is the mobile home sealant and the trunk paint. So, and it's it's all along this area here, which we're going to remove that area, of course, and we've got some over here and some over here as well. We're going to be removing all that, or trying to remove all that today. The first thing we're going to do is remove the decking and get it out of the way so that we can get to the leaf spring tunnel, the wheel wells, and just make sure everything is taken off and looks good. So let's go ahead and get started. Thanks for stopping by the shop, and we'll go ahead and get all this done. back, my fellow YouTube travelers. We are done for today. And we got pretty much everything done that I wanted to get done today. The boot floor is clean. I've got all the mobile home sealant off of it. And we started to move forward in the car, you know, this boot area, trying to get it all clean. And that's going to include that rear deck behind the seats, the transaxle tunnel, and the two wheel wells. So those are the two things that I'm trying, those are the things that I'm trying to get. Those are the two things that three things that we're trying to get clean today. Nobody ever expects the Spanish Inquisition. Anywho, we got the leaf spring tunnel, or you know, whatever that is. We've got it cleaned. We still have to get some paint off of it. This wheel well over here, we've started cleaning it, and we've still got paint to get off of it. This one is proving to be really difficult, and that mobile home sealant does not want to come off of it. And then we've got the rear deck to do. And so we will get all that finished, hopefully in the next couple of days. Once I get that rear valance on, I'm not going to be able to do anything else. Thanks for stopping by the shop. We will see you guys tomorrow. We will continue on with what we're doing here. Hi everybody. Today is Saturday. It is the 18th of April, and we are back out in the garage, and we are working on the GT6, doing the stripping and doing the sandblasting to try and get the boot area clean of all that mobile home roofing material. Let's go ahead and get started. Thanks for stopping by the shop, and enjoy. All right, everybody, that is going to conclude it for today. We are really moving along on the interior. The paint is coming off pretty easily. The mobile home sealant, it's coming off fairly well. It's taking multiple applications of remover to get it to come off with a little bit of extra elbow grease. But other than that, it seems to be just fine. Thanks for stopping by the shop. We will be back here tomorrow. We'll try and finish up that boot area. Hopefully we'll get that all done this weekend. Thanks for stopping by the shop. Y'all have a great day till tomorrow. Bye. Hello, all my YouTube friends out there in YouTube land. Thanks for stopping by the shop today. It is April the 19th, Sunday, and we are back out in the garage to finish up the rear deck, getting that stripped. I was wondering, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do about epoxy primer on this rear boot, whether to go ahead and do it now or wait until I have the floor put in and then just do the entire interior. That's what I'm kind of going back and forth about, is to whether or not do it now or wait until I've got the floor in. That way I can do the whole interior. Once I get all this stuff stripped, I still got to sandblast the interior to get, all the other stuff off of it. So I think that's what we're going to do, is we're going to wait until everything's finished. But the next major repair is going to be the floors and the sills. So yeah, I'm very happy about that. So let's, stop jabbering. Let's go ahead and get started, and we will go ahead and try and get all that stripped today before the rain hits, and we don't have to be out in the rain doing it. So thanks for stopping by the shop. Let's go. guys, that's going to conclude it for today. We got a little bit done. Not as much as I was hoping that we'd get. It seems that the paint remover that I bought the other day, it isn't up to the challenge. Other than that, I think we got a lot done this week. We've gotten the boot floor and the transaxle tunnel stripped. We got the wheel well stripped. We have not gotten that rear deck completely stripped. It's still got paint on it. We're going to continue on. We will see what happens from here. I am off this whole week. I don't have to work, so we're going to try and get as much of this done this period as we can. Y'all be safe till then. Bye. All right, my friends, we are back in the garage. It is Monday. I'm going to try some mechanical effort with the wire brush. Maybe we will continue with the sandblaster after I run over it with the brush a few times to kind of get some more of that mobile home sealant off of it. And then we will consider that done and we can go ahead and end up and start a new series. So thanks for stopping by the shop. Let's go ahead and get started and we will try and get this done today. I think we've gotten a lot accomplished. Got the entire boot and rear deck has now been sandblasted, and I've gone through over all the seams with some rust preventer. You know, all the troubled spots that I found lots of rust from either water seeping in or, you know, just for whatever reason. I have painted areas with the rust preventer. I have gone over all the seams with the rust preventer to make sure that it soaks down into the seam and we don't have any problems there. Now, I am going to go over all the seams with seam sealer, automotive seam sealer, to seal up all the seams, because in the process of removing all this junk, most of the seam sealant was removed. So we've got to replace it. So I'm going to order some and then we will seal up all the seams like they should be. Lots of good work today. I think we did a good job. All right, my beloved GT6 followers. That's going to conclude it for this week. I think we did a lot and accomplished a lot. The boot floor, the transaxle tunnel, both rear wheels, and the rear deck have all been sandblasted. All the seams have had rust preventative put on them. We will be putting an automotive seam sealer in those seams, but at some time in the future we will do that before we epoxy primer it. Thanks for stopping by the shop. Thanks for all your support. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and go back and binge watch this project or any of the other projects that you want to look at and just see what we're doing. If you like today's video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to get notified every time that we upload a video, either on this project, the GT6, or any of the other projects that we're working on, click the notification bell and that will alert you every time that we upload a video. Guys, it's been so much fun, and I appreciate you guys coming by and spending some time with me in the garage. You are always welcome, and there's always a virtual beer in the virtual fridge for you. So, y'all have a great day, be safe, and keep it shiny. Bye.